What is the evening routine? A night routine is the things you do immediately prior to going to bed regularly. Benefits of the evening routine. It helps to unwind the day and get ready for a sleep. You can fill up your evening with relaxing activities that avoid overstimulation of your mind. It improves your quality of sleep. It enhances your mind to focus for the next day. It helps you to let go of your worry. 4 steps for the evening routine. Step 1. Gratitude to yourself and others. When we express gratitude, our brain releases feel-good hormone and it elevates our mood and makes us feel happy from the inside. Benefits of gratitude. To develop our positivity, to help you to see things from a positive perspective. To combat stressors. Nation of negative thought. Write down 3 things/persons that you are grateful for. For example, I am grateful for myself. I have done my best to overcome the challenge. I am grateful for my patience to wait for the changes in my clients. I am grateful for my forgiveness to myself. I am grateful for my mother who is supportive to me and take care of me. Step 2. Review of the day, accomplishment and learning experience. Review the areas in that you have done well. Give yourself a tap on the shoulder or thumb up. Set a plan for areas for improvement for the next day. What did I do well today? How could I improve? What could I do better? What do I need to do to be the best version of myself? Step 3. Letting go of worries and areas that you have no control. Journaling. In life, there is a lot of situation that we have no control over. You may need to acknowledge the area that you have no control over and let go and surrender it. For example, you have no control over another person's behavior. Realizing that helps us to let go of wanting to control the behavior of another person. Write down your worries in the journal. It is a way to put your worries down on paper instead of letting them overwhelm your mind, body and heart. When you can write down your worries, you will be able to see your worries on paper. You will have a sense of control over it. After you have written down your worries on the paper, you start to classify your worries into 2 categories. One of the categories is worries that you have no control over. Another category is worries that you can manage. Doing so helps you to see your worries in perspective. For the worries that you have no control over, you simply have to surrender them to God or a higher authority and let go of them by writing them down on paper and tearing it away as a symbolic meaning of letting go. For the worries that you have control over, you start to write a plan of action. Focus your energy to do your best. This is the area that you can manage and do something about it. Do your best effort. I still remember the serenity prayer. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. You can record your thoughts and experience. Write it down in your journal. You can also draw to express your experience. It is a mindfulness practice. It helps you to pay attention to the present moment. Let go of the past regret and worry about the future. Step 4. Positive affirmation. Positive affirmations are the positive statements that you talk to yourself consciously and subconsciously. It can help you to reframe the negative thoughts and overcome stressors effectively. It can enhance your self-worth and confidence and counter stress and self-doubts. You can start with 1 to 3 minutes for 21 days to be effective. Try saying affirmations after waking up and before going to sleep daily. For example, I am lovable and valuable. I accept myself unconditionally. I have done my best of the day. I release my tension, stress and worries. I can let go of my worry before I go to sleep. I can continue my learning tomorrow. Gratitude, review of the day, letting go of worries and positive affirmation are the 4 steps for the night routine that help you to unwind the day and have a restful sleep at night. Subscribe my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of personal transformation for women and much more. Check out the playlists of guided meditation, self-help tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.